today's data-driven world, Excel skills are more valuable than ever. But are you truly harnessing the power of this essential tool? Imagine transforming from an Excel novice to a spreadsheet wizard. Envision yourself automating complex tasks, creating dynamic reports, and unlocking insight hidden in your data. Hi, I'm Chigozie, and I'm here to guide you through the world of advanced Excel formulas and functions. I have designed this course to help you unlock the full power of Excel from beginner to advanced. We will dive deep into over 100 formulas and functions to make you an Excel master, saving you time and boosting your productivity. You will start with the basic of Excel formulas and cell references, mastering the core building blocks that will set you up for success. You will learn how to use Excel's function wizard, manipulate cell references, and structure formulas with ease. By the end of the fundamentals section, you will feel confident tackling more advanced formulas. In this comprehensive course, we will explore powerful statistical functions like sum product, conditional functions like countifs and SUMIFs, and logical operators like if, and, or, helping you handle any dataset with precision. Want to manipulate text, parse data, or generate report automatically? You will learn text functions like concat, left, right, need, find, search, and even advanced string operations for fast, clean data processing. You will also master how to automate repetitive tasks and save hours of work. You will master powerful lookup functions like VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and index match functions. We will unlock Excel's new dynamic arrays functions, giving you the ability to perform real data analysis with functions like unique, sort, filter, sequence, round array, and many more. We will explore dates and times functions in details, where you will learn how to enter and format dates and times like a pro. You will master essential basic date functions like today, now, time value, date value, weekday, etc. to more complex functions like workday, network days, year frac, date diff, and more. You will master real-world application of date and times in project management and data analysis. But what sets this course apart is our focus on practical real-world applications. Throughout the course, you will work on exciting projects that simulate actual business scenarios. In our first major project, you will build a comprehensive student grading system. You will learn to automatically calculate grade using complex formulas. You will also learn how to generate dynamic performance reports and many other projects to empower you to automate tasks and perform data analysis. These projects aren't just exercises. They are portfolio pieces that demonstrate your Excel mastery to potential employers or clients. Whether you are a business analyst seeking to level up your skills, financial professional aiming to streamline your workflows, marketing specialist looking to enhance your data analysis capabilities, or an aspiring data scientist building a strong foundation, this course will equip you with the Excel skills you need to stand out in your field. We will also cover common Excel errors and how to fix them, so you will be able to troubleshoot with confidence. No more frustrating error messages or formula failures. But this isn't just about learning functions and completing projects. It is about gaining the confidence to tackle any data challenges that comes your way. By the end of this course, you won't just know Excel. You will know how to think in Excel. Imagine the satisfaction of transforming chaotic data into clear, actionable insights. Picture yourself as the go-to Excel expert in your organization. That's the power this course can give you. Don't let Excel intimidate you any longer. Join me and let's unlock the full potential of this powerful tool together. Your journey to Excel mastery starts here. Master Microsoft Excel, Advanced Excel formula and functions. Enroll now and transform your Excel skills forever.